Okay, this is a quick tutorial on installing PrologMUD just so you can see how it happens. So the prerequisites here is we have to have Swivel in our path. We also have to have Apache running, and I'm going to remove an artifact from the last install, which was HMUD. So more like what your machine would be like. Okay, so alright, let's get into our op directory. Okay, busy op directory. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is get to the source code, which is here. Actually, I'm going to open a new tab so we can keep that around. Okay, so I'm going to copy the GitHub link, and now we will just type CLS as my clear screen. Okay, git clone cloning the repository onto our disk. Okay. Alright, so this is what initially it looks like. So we have a script that we have full clone and we have clone externals. When we run mud start, which is our startup script, it calls clone externals if the clone externals are the extra Git repos that this uses, which if you look on here, it clones various repositories to get the mud sort of up and going. Won't go into too much detail because first I want to just get the mud installed for you guys to show you the simplest way to do it. So far all I've done is I've git cloned, changed directories, and now I'm running mudserver.sh. This finishes the installation process. That's what it's working on now. Like, it's getting the git submodules of Cleopatra. And it's getting there. Okay. Here in a moment, the screen will, here we go. And it is starting the mud server. Initially here, we don't have any games installed, so on the mud server. So it is just using the basic empty world, and I'll show you how to get the non-basic empty world here in a minute. But first, let's press Ctrl-D to start the mud. The reason it's doing that is it wanted us to not miss this message that says game, source of the game, directory for the source code for the game is missing. So it gave us our default world. This world is fully functional, has a few commands. We will log into the world by opening up a web telnet, which is that. Also, let's go ahead and open up a second one too. That way these guys can communicate. We'll have two players here. Okay, so let's do that. Of course, you'd be going to localhost, but I'm going on my network. It's here. Okay, so player 2, player 3. This let me know that player 3 logged in and did a look. That's customizable. Everything in this thing is customizable. So player 3 is going to say hi, player 2. Player 2 should see it. Notice how these come across as Prolog terms. So notice that someone, player 3, has said hi, player 2, and then he gets a little net message saying he's done. Okay, so, and hi back. Okay, and so anyway, these can run on to, various multiple people can play your MUD. Okay, so we have a one world MUD that, let's see if let's go south. Let's take a look. Okay. There must be 4 people on this thing. I don't know. Take a look. Okay. Alright. So, as player 1, we can eat the food. Look, my food should be gone. Yes, it is. I'm just kind of sanity testing this. Well, anyway, the MUD server is installed, and